I grew up in a family of service. My parents are missionaries, so service was always something that was a part of my life. It was always something that I felt compelled to be a part of my community, because having people in my life growing up pour into my life, support me, uplift me, that's the only reason I'm here today. So now that I've been blessed with so much, it was important that I pour into my community, pour into the lives of those around me. You know, we're committed to connecting children and families in underserved areas, investing in social and emotional development, and we understand that education really is that key, and it's that key component to the lives of our children, our youth, and people in our communities. We're unique in that, you know, we do a number of different things. In our community, we have our Shop with a Cop program, and in some areas, you know, a lot of the youth and children in those areas have learned that the police in their community are people that they shouldn't associate with, that they can't trust, and those are all misconceptions. And through that Shop with the Cop program, it's an opportunity for us to connect those kids with local law enforcement, and they get to shop for themselves and spend a day with the officers, buying themselves gifts for the holidays. And it's a chance for the kids to have a mentor and to build that relationship, and to say, hey, what's my budget? And the officers then to say, we can buy a few more toys, you can spend money on your family members, but make sure you buy something for yourself. So it's really about relationship building and building that foundation that's going to allow a better community when the kids go back home and where the officers go back to work. So it's a great program. I was born in Lagos, Nigeria. I moved to Canada when I was 4, and my Nigerian culture is something that's very important and it's very special to me. And through Care Africa and our partnerships that we're fortunate to have, we've been able to go back and work in orphanages. We're partnered with Integris Health, and we go and do medical clinics in rural areas where people may never have seen a doctor, have never seen a nurse, and come in and literally their lives are transformed. As a young man in Chicago trying to develop this organization, I'm fortunate to be in a place where I can tap into people who can really guide and lead and direct me. If you have the ability to start something, or you have the capacity to build and start something on your own, and it's something you're passionate about, by all means. If you're in a position where you're looking at something that you're passionate about and say, I want to be a part of that cause, I want to join that team, then that's what you do. I mean, I think at the end of the day, no matter your background, your platform, your status economically, everyone can do something, everybody can pitch in to make our world better, and it starts by service in community, serving one another, and that just, has a ripple effect. When people take care of one another, we all grow stronger, and it makes our world literally a better place. It's just not a statement, it's reality.